Welcome to day 3. Let's move ahead on sadhana of understanding the yogic breath. 2 दिन सिर्फ मैंने yogic breath पे stress किया. Today I am going to take you little deeper in this yogic breath for a type of not a pranayam but a breathing exercise. Before that, pranayam, if we break it, what are we doing this? These sessions of pranayam means what? Is pranayam same as my breath work, inhalation, exhalation, respiratory act, the anatomy and physiology which the lungs take in oxygen, distribute to different parts, bring carbon dioxide and toxins and out. So is it same or is it different? Let's go a little deeper to understand. Respiration is an anatomy and physiology combination, one of the main 9 organs systems of our body to do a particular function. Then what is pranayam? Prana is life force, vitality, energy, waves, subtle form which we don't understand, we don't see. This we feel, we can sense it, but prana is in a subtle body outside which it flows and it aids, it supports, it's a fuel for our respiratory system because respiration is one of the functions through which prana is activated or vice versa. So हम respiration समझ सकते हैं. Breathing in, breathing out, we can understand, even though it is a brain function like the cardiac muscles, like the heart beating, still we can control little part of respiration. Can we control our heart rate, heartbeat? Yes, through respiration. So we have somewhere a voluntary control over this involuntary body function. How? Through pranayam. So ayam, prana ka ayam is stretching, extending, restrained. The way I want this air to go in, I can control. So when we practice pranayam, I am going to direct the prana in the required fields and energies, the chakras, the nadis, the blockages in the nadis. We can clean all these things through pranayam. It बहुत science deep है. Let's stick to the practice. Little bit of science and connection I can give because as a doctor, if you can connect, I can help you to be aware what you are doing. It helps you to take your sadhana to a deeper level. So yogic breath, once little recap again, I am stressing again and again because that's the main pillar and foundation of all our pranayams. Breathe right. You know, you've seen जब भी गुस्से में कोई होता है और people are stressed, deep breathe, relax, take 2-3 normal deep breaths, take 10 counts and settle, then you say or react. What does it mean? Give oxygen or fuel, take time to let that episode go away, or it's a type of pranayam. Pranayam and mental modifications, the chitta, the thought processes, the emotions are connected. So if I can control pranayam, say mind ko. Otherwise the emotions are very difficult. घोड़े हैं, wild horses running out. I need to really take out which direction my thought processes are going. Can we stop our thought processes even when we are doing meditation? Does our mind stop fluctuating? So when we are doing this pranayam, we can alter, restrain, reduce the mental modifications, thought processes. The whole aim Patanjali sage has said of yoga is chitta nirodha. So chitta modifications को stop करना is yoga. He says simple that way. Asanas are one of the ways to increase my capacity towards sadhana. It makes my body drud. Drud is strong, full of vitality, energy. So asanas are just a part of the whole yoga science. Anyway, not going through that, coming back to a yogic breath. Once again, this yesterday's diagram, what I am trying to see is the first two parts. My inhalation, exhalation, about 500 ml, we spoke yesterday. You can go back to my previous videos. And what we are trying through yogic breath is to increase this lung capacity, which is inspiratory rhythm volume, up till 3000 ml. So 500 से 3000 तक मैं अगर मेरे लंग एल्वियोलाइज को खोल सकती हूँ, अगर मैं उसकी कैपेसिटी बढ़ा सकती हूँ, अगर मैं इन एक्सचेंज को और लंबा खींच सकती हूँ, क्योंकि 3000 करने के लिए और लंबा समय लगेगा ना, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स आल्सो. So this is प्राण का आयाम, प्राणायाम. So I am taking you forward. I got a few feedbacks. It's difficult that I am only experimenting it. I am showing it to you all and you all are doing. So I will be doing it only once or twice. If you are listening live now, you can later continue to practice this more and more. But understand how it is done. Any questions regarding your practices? Do comment, do message. I am there on my WhatsApp also, on our pranayam groups also, and on this Facebook live posts also. And also, if you can send me some images or pictures of how you are doing sadhana, maybe a video if you can do it, and if I am able to correct it. I am not a great teacher for this, but at least what I know I can share it with you all. So all the best, carrying this forward. The first thing what we are doing is, in my yogic breath, I yesterday asked a question, any sound which you can hear, are you able to be aware of your inhalation and exhalation sound, the syllabi, or something which you can connect? I got one or two comments. I think it's you, Meenal, or somebody. She said she gets her while exhalation. So, inhalation and exhalation, if you can be aware of that little subtle sounds. For me, it may be different for everybody. I am telling you from my experience. For me, it is, don't make sound to make this audible. It is an inner nadi, inner sound. If you can be aware, it will be beautiful. You are taking your sadhana to a deeper level. So it is sa and ha. It's like hum, sa, hum, something like that. Don't get, because I am saying that for you all also it will be sa and ha. It is your nad, it is your flow, it is your energy. Be aware of that sound what I am trying to tell you. So when in an yogic breath, when I am taking this, the first pranayam, not the pranayam, first breathing exercise what I am showing you is, when you are taking sa, when this lung is filled up, and think अभी हवा नहीं जा सकता है, और खींचो थोड़ा, इंस्पिरेटरी रिदम वॉल्यूम 3000 ml, उसको और भरो. वो तुमको लगा तुम्हारी कैपेसिटी स्टिल 500-700 you have taken in yogic breath. After the sound stops, breathe in more, fill up the lungs more, and no need to hold, and then gradually with hum breathe out long. Breathing out will be little longer than your breathing in. I'll tell you the benefits. I'll just show it once how it is done, maybe with my hand expressions if you can understand. So this will be my normal tidal volume or my normal capacity to breathe in. When my sound of for me it is sound, it stops, then I am filling it more, and then I am getting it out slowly, gradually, without holding. This is how it is done. So once I will be showing it. So this is my normal Expand it little more your lungs and gradually bring it down. The gradual bringing down will be little longer. This helps. What is this doing exactly? It's inflating my lungs. So क्या हुआ? Lungs inflate हुआ. How cardiac and respiration is related? With every breath or every oxygenated blood, oxygen-rich blood is going to the heart and deoxygenated coming back from heart to lungs. So my heart rate slows down. If my heart rate slows down, किस पे काम आया? My blood pressure. It helps in my cardiovascular diseases, in my reducing the blood pressure. It is also helpful in people with low blood pressure. Normalize करता है. In people with low metabolic rates, it helps in the metabolism. क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन दिया ना और ज़्यादा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और टॉक्सिन्स निकाले, तो मेटाबॉलिज्म यानी exchange of things inside the cell walls also, inside and outside the cell wall improves. So my metabolic rate improves. It helps in anxiety. It helps in depression. So there are so many benefits with this simple extending your yogic breath with increasing your inspiration and slow expiration. Beautiful. Experience it. I am telling you, you will not like to come out of this state. This is a physical level. Yesterday even I said there are different types of sadhaks. Preliminary, the exam when we are appearing for our exams, we give example, a child who is studying, a student who is studying throughout, a student who studies little before exams, a month or so, a few months ago, a few weeks ago, and a child who prepares last moment. Everybody is going to pass, don't worry. It is the amount of sadhana, the regular tapa, the regular practice which a person goes through. So with this sadhana, what are we doing is actually preparing ourselves for ayam, stretching of the prana. प्राणायाम को मुझे होल्ड और स्ट्रेच, पहले लंग की कैपेसिटी तो बढ़नी पड़ेगी ना, तब मैं उसको होल्ड कर पाऊंगी. In that holding phase is where my actual sadhana increases, my actual benefits of pranayama, my cleansing of nadis. The main aim of pranayama is opening the 72,000 nadis in the subtle body. So this was one of the sadhana which you have to do. I request you all, please send me the feedbacks if you all are doing. Without this, post 7 days when we are going to do chakra meditation with these things, it will be very difficult for us to take. 15 minutes, not more. The second exercise what we are doing today is simple. Many of you all know, and thanks to the media and the yoga and the way India is promoting yoga, it is simple Anulom Vilom which we have heard. I will be explaining the science of Anulom Vilom today, but today you have practice it. It is simple, no holding again. It is inspiration, expiration, but through alternate nostrils. It is always begin with the left nostril, inhale, always begin with left nostril and remove it out from the right. Inhale right, exhale left. That is one cycle of Anulom Vilom. Your finger positions would be the two fingers, the first two fingers towards your Agya Chakra. If not, it's okay. The thumb and the ring finger, the thumb and your right nostril, and your ring finger and your left nostril, right hand. If you are lefty, vice versa. So I will show you one. This would be left nostril taken, right nostril out, right in, left out. One cycle I will be showing you all. I am going to 4 count. You can go up to 5, 6 count. Do not stretch. अनुलोम विलोम करने के बाद आप ब्रेथलेस फील कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपकी लंग कैपेसिटी योगिक ब्रेथ से बड़ी है. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज से हमने लंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाई है, फिर ये साधना करना. डोंट जंप इनटू दिस. एंड इवन इफ यू वांट टू गो वेरी स्लो, वो 2 काउंट्स चलेगा, बट वो 2 काउंट को रखो 5 मिनट रोज. सो सिंपल वन डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन फॉर दिस. This was one cycle of Anulom Vilom. Left inhale, right exhale, right inhale, लेफ्ट एक्सेल. सो डू दिस कंफर्टेबली. 4 काउंट, 5 काउंट, 6 काउंट, आपका जो भी काउंट हो उसको 15 मिनट करो एटलीस्ट. 5 मिनट से चालू करो. डजेंट मैटर, वी हैव गॉट एम्पल ऑफ टाइम नाउ in this scenario what is going around. So happy practice. I'm going to take this sadhana further tomorrow, but ये practice करोगे तो अंदर और छेद कर पाएंगे नाड़ियों में. So this was it for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening to me.